TikTok Cash Review Plus Bonus. Today I am going to review the features and benefits of TikTok Cashbot. Now, the sales page. It's a typical sales page from these guys. It's just a simple product hyped up through marketing and misleading sales page. It's a legit app, but it's too much hype. Plus all the income screenshots are pretty much from these guys selling software products online, like this one, and promoting other people products and making affiliate commissions on Warrior Plus. So, I don't like the way they market this product. Beginner-friendly system. Whether you have 2 years of experience or 2 weeks, it doesn't matter. TikTok Cashbot gives you everything you need to start getting results from scratch. Works anywhere in the world. As long as you have a computer and internet connection, you can tap into the $75p plus TikTok algorithm. Whether you're in Kenya, India, USA, Mexico, or anywhere else, it doesn't matter. Just a few clicks to activate. This is something so easy even a 10-year-old could do it. Because it takes just a few clicks to activate TikTok Cashbot. 100% legal to do. They're practically forcing TikTok to pay them hundreds per hour, whether they like it or not. And it's 100% legal to do. Works on any device you want. This application works on the internet, therefore it works on any device that's connected online. This includes Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, or any other phone or tablet that can connect online. Zero expenses required. There aren't any hidden fees or strings attached. No buying expensive equipment. None of that crap. They give you everything you need. TikTok Cashbot step-by-step training videos. In the unlikely event where you have trouble setting anything up, they have a series of step-by-step training videos that give you detailed instructions from A to Z. So, except the sales page, that is well misleading and way too hippie, the app works. But keep in mind that this won't make you money instantly like they claim on the sales page. To grow a TikTok account takes a bit of time. Or you might get lucky and go viral. Also you will need a bit of knowledge on how to grow your account, how to use hashtags and all that good stuff. I hope you find my TikTok Cashbot review helpful. If this is a product that you're interested in picking up, then click the buttons on this page and get TikTok Cashbot with my free bonuses. TikTok Cashbot review, frequently asked questions. How long will it take to receive profits? This really varies, but the vast majority of the beta users report receiving it within 12 to 24 hours after activating it. In short, the quicker you activate, the sooner you'll likely profit. But it all depends on how fast you grow your account. You might not even make a cent. Do I need any tech skills? None whatsoever. I hate technical crap as much as you do, so they designed TikTok Cashbot in mind for the average Joes and Janes. After all, not everyone has a computer science degree. Do I need to buy any traffic? Nope. You don't have to mess around with that. What if I get confused along the way? Don't worry, they have video training that shows you every step of the way, from A to Z. They'll show you everything you need to know so you can begin getting results. Is TikTok Cashbot legit? I can't really say that it's not legit. But the marketing of this product is misleading. False income proof on the sales page and fake testimonials. I hate that. And this won't make you a millionaire overnight. You may not even make a cent. Grab your TikTok Cashbot license now completely risk-free. Your investment is covered by the no-hassle, money-back guarantee. Thank you for reading my TikTok Cashbot review. I'll catch you up in my next review article. Bye for now.